Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection penthouse scent diffuser starts acting inconsistent, maybe it stops releasing fragrance, becomes unresponsive, or doesn't follow your settings properly, a reset is often the quickest way to bring it back to normal. This model runs on internal timing cycles and programmed intervals, and sometimes those settings can get disrupted due to power interruptions or incorrect adjustments. When that happens, the diffuser may not behave the way it should, even though there's no physical issue. Resetting the unit clears those temporary glitches and allows it to start fresh with proper functionality. The process is simple, but doing it correctly ensures the system fully reinitializes. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to reset your penthouse diffuser step by step. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the diffuser and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Wait for a few minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Step 3. Remove the scent bottle and check its placement. Step 4. Reinsert the bottle and plug the diffuser back in. Step 5. Turn the unit on using the power button. Step 6. Verify the diffuser runs normally and releases scent.